Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your carrier account and SIM are provisioned for 5G because the phone can only attach if the network allows it. Next, open Settings, go to Connections, then Mobile Networks, and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G/2G auto. This forces the device to prefer 5G when available. Also check APN entries match your carrier. Mismatched APN can trigger fallback to 4G. Once done, once rebooted, make sure your phone software and carrier firmware are up to date because modem updates often restore 5G stability. You should open the phone app and access the service or phone information menu to verify NR, 5G registration, and that supported bands match your carrier. If the phone lacks the band, it will stay on 4G. After updates, toggle airplane mode briefly to force the radio to re-register. This helps the device pick the correct 5G cell once the modem has new settings. You finish by performing advanced fixes. Reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles that can force 4G. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so re-enter them after. If resetting doesn't help, test with a different carrier, SIM, or move to an area with confirmed 5G coverage to separate phone problems from network issues. Make sure to gather NR logs or service mode screenshots. If 5G still fails, contact your carrier for provisioning checks, or take the device to service for modem diagnostics and possible repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.